Another bullish day on Wall Street. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering in for Des on September the 13th, 2012. Wow, well, the Fed not only said that they were going to be more quantitative easing, they also said it was going to be unlimited. They were going to put money into the markets if the economy is going up or if the economy is going down. So that just unleashed everyone on Wall Street. Let's take a look at the numbers for today. First of all, the Dow Jones Industrial up over 200 points at 1.55%. And then we have the S&P up 1.6%. And then we have the NASDAQ up 1.3%. The small caps up 1.3%. So who's leading the way? It was the Dow and the S&P 500. Somewhat confirmed here with banks as far as the S&P 500. And look at that, an 11% drop in the VIX. That took out the fear in the market in a big way, down to 14 now. And boy, it caused a big boom in commodities. Gold up 2%, silver up 4%, oil up 1%. And of course, the dollar crashed. For the 5th week in a row, it is down, and it was down big today. Oh, for you Grok mentoring graduates out there, take a look at the trend. It's at 0.38. All right, so let's take a look at the S&P 500. Here is the daily chart. Look at this. We had a high base and kaboom! Look at that, up over the trend line here and knocking its head on this trend line. Whereas that comes all the way back here to June and July. And boy, we are at a 5-year high. The last time it was this high was on December 31st, 2007. Okay, let's take a look next at the Dow. Kaboom! Out of that high base, out of these highs here, and boom! Look at that. And of course, volume was up today. One thing I didn't say on the S&P, but it's also true here, and that is that we no longer have the divergence in the MACD. However, if we take a look at the NASDAQ, boom! It was up nice and big. But look at this. We are getting some bearish divergence here in the MACD, and it's only on the NASDAQ, so just be a little careful with your tech stocks. How about the small caps? RUT. Kaboom! Over that 850 mark. And it tagged 860 and pulled back a little bit at the end of the day. Wow. I tell you. So it is a 5-year highs on all the major markets. Let's take a look at our friends at Bank. Kaboom! That high base breakout right up above the 1900 level that we saw as resistance. And for your gold bugs out there, kaboom! Look at that, up over 171 on the GLD. And then we've got silver. Kaboom! Look at that, up over 3360. Unbelievable. And then, of course, oil is up there, but it's starting to hit its head here on the daily as far as its 200 period moving average. But I don't think that's going to stop it. And the dollar is down. If you notice this, down, down, and down. And with news like that, that is expected. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Just remember, you don't have to know what's going to happen next in order to make money in the markets. So keep those stops tight.